This video is sponsored by Competitive Cyclist.
Cool.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby.
The gentle power of a flower can crack a mighty stone. This is the hour of the power of pure love alone. Girls and boys now share their joys now in the summer sun. Happy weather, friends together, till we all are one. The Golden Gate is wide and straight, welcoming the throng.
All right, I figured, hey, beautiful Friday afternoon. Let's take these new handlebars. Oh my God, it's so slippery. Weather be damned, we're gonna try these things out. The plan is Forest Park. We'll take whatever we can get. I'm already stoked with just this. Hey, this is good. As long as we don't have to turn, we'll be fine. Hands on the prize, let's just slow and steady. Oh boy, it's slick. There's no shoulder riding. It's way more dangerous to ride in the shoulder than in the street. And there's not really any cars out, so, you know, take what you can get, baby. What about these bars, though? Oh, I don't want to take my hands off. It's so sketchy. Nail's making it happen. Good for you guys. Yeah, okay. Jesus. The only way to ride Highway 30 is to be in the lane of traffic. And it's a little bit sketchy. But the shoulder is a no-go. There's no way. But maybe I can get a good window of no cars. What the hell am I doing out here? Oh my God. Thank you for not killing me. Okay. Oh boy. Whoa. Hey Dustin. Yo, tell me about your bars. All right, these are my new monocoque Syncro carbon fiber player bars. The idea with these was to try and get a hand position that was somewhat closer to a drop bar bike and just a little bit less like a mountain bike. Not extremely, just a little something. And yes, I did set these up upside down. How dare you? But in that position, it just felt a little bit more like a drop bar bike. I like to experiment with things and nothing lasts forever. Not to mention that riding these in this weather there's a lot going on. It's probably not the best controlled environment to test out something new. But these Ergon grips, deal maker. I don't care what flat bars, Ergon grips all the way, baby. But so far so good. They just look so cool. They come with that awesome sticker that you can modify. Oh, this is a lot of watts for not a lot of speed. I am going so slow, and I think this might be the hardest ride I've done all year. Yeah, I think easily. Who wants to take wagers on if my water's frozen? Huh? We've got water! So slow. Oh, just blasting up this hill at 2 miles an hour and 7,000 watts. Oh, I'm sweating so much right now, but we're getting there. We're getting there. I think we're getting there. So slow. Oh my God. To give you an idea of how much slower this is than normal, it usually takes me about 25 minutes to get to this point. It took me an hour and 20 minutes to get there today. Yeah. Wow. Dustin Klein, middle of nowhere, trudging along at a blistering 2.3 miles an hour. Back to hell with the weather. Well, at least it's not sticky snow. It's soft, energy sapping, soul crushing, fluffy snow. I think I like the bars upside down. They give you that kind of hunched over feeling that you get on drop bar bikes. Not so upright like a traditional mountain bike. Feels like a little more cafe racer than BMX Bandit. What do you think of these bars? You like them? You love them? You hate them? Let me know in the comments. Or if you have another idea of something else I should try, put those down there too. Oh, and I think this was a good move. Just regular boots on flat pedals, because then I can bail at any moment, and my feet are super warm. I'm learning. This is hard. And it finally happened. Slushy water. Oh my God. And I think it's getting dark. Whoa, it's floating all over. Oh boy. Okay. 20% grade here. Wish me luck. They just said wow. This is like a sledding hill right here. My crazy ass is riding a bike on it. Look at the traffic. Love it. Okay. Oh Jesus. Boy. Almost done. Holy moly. We're getting there. Look at that beautiful ground. Safety first. Oh, good. It looks like it's raining now. That's nice. Nice touch to the ride, huh? The fucking snowplow's coming after me. Oh shit, I missed it. I gotta follow this guy. That's some good stuff right there. Oh man, it feels way crazier than it looks. And ice daggers. They're just, ow, stop stabbing me in the face, you little fuckers. Wow, yeah. Woo! But hey, these bars are great. That was an awesome upgrade. I can't wait to try them in dry conditions. Too bad Ron couldn't make it. It would have been cool to meet up, but it would have taken so long because it is so slow riding in this stuff. And I can prove it to you with the ride by the numbers, 2 hours, 30 minutes rolling time, a whopping 12.5 miles, and 1,260 feet of elevation. Big shout out to Competitive Cyclist for sponsoring this video. We want to stoke you out with a little discount love. Use offer code Dustin15 for 15% off your first order to competitivecyclist.com. Some restrictions may apply. You could even get yourself a pair of fancy pants upside down bars. If there's anything you liked here, go ahead, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, now might be the time. And check out this video where I actually met up with Ron in the forest. And it was a similar kind of gross day, but wetter, but not as bad, but kind of. Until next time, dear friend, this is Dustin Klein, signing off. I'm just gonna lay here for a little bit.